The Kind Elephant and the Tiny Bird. Once upon a time, in a peaceful jungle, there lived a big elephant named Golu. Golu was very strong, but he was also very kind. One afternoon, Golu walked to the river to drink water. Near the river, he saw a tiny bird lying on the ground with a hurt wing. The bird cried softly, "I can't fly." Golu carefully lifted the bird with his trunk and placed her on a shady branch. He brought her water, protected her from sun, and stayed nearby until she felt better. After a few days, the bird's wing healed and she flew happily again. "Thank you, Golu," she chirped and flew away. One day, a loud sound woke the jungle. Golu had fallen into a deep pit and could not get out. The tiny bird heard his call for help. She flew across the jungle and called other animals. Soon, everyone came together and helped Golu climb out safely. Golu smiled and said, "You saved me." The tiny bird replied, "You helped me first." Both of them learned that even the smallest kindness can make a big difference. Moral of the story is, kindness comes back in surprising ways.